AI has brought a new wave of security issues as agents move between apps, often operating without the same identity governance and control as human users. Enterprises are signaling that they need their vendors to help to solve this. They want the cross-app access protocol integrated into their stack to provide the visibility and control necessary before purchasing or renewing their software. The time for B2B SaaS builders and AI platforms to adopt cross-app access is now. So let's talk about it: what it is, how it helps you win business, how it works, and how to get started. AI is the biggest opportunity in enterprise tech, with AI agents driving companies' roadmaps. But with enterprises now asking their vendors for real enterprise-grade security, tapping into that market potential is a real hurdle. That's where cross-app access comes in. Cross-app access is the new open protocol, also known as the Identity Assertion Authorization Grant. It's built as an extension of OAuth to secure app-to-app and agent-to-app connections. As enterprises generate their own AI agents to automate work, they operate without the same restrictions as human users, connecting to more data sources with less predictable patterns than traditional apps, and no real oversight. This can cause real chaos like overprivilege risk, authorization gaps, and compliance challenges. When agents and apps become more interconnected, the unsecured links between them become a primary attack vector. Customers are asking for a solution, one that cross-app access provides. Cross-app access shifts access control to the identity provider, so connections align with enterprise policies. When app builders and AI platforms adopt it, it works across the entire ecosystem to make trusted connections possible. Cross-app access eliminates critical security risks by replacing risky hard-coded tokens with robust identity-based controls. It delivers better user experiences by removing frequent consent prompts that slows user adoption down. And it helps you scale faster. You can build once to deploy across any customer environment to become a stickier, trusted part of the enterprise ecosystem. Let's look at how cross-app access works first with a closer look at the problem. Today's consent model puts too much responsibility on users. When Jane logs into her SaaS apps, every integration prompts for consent, and every yes can expose data. The result is consent fatigue for users and blind spots for IT. Even when enterprises use MCP to connect internal agents and systems, authorization still happens at the user level, relying on user consent and scattered app approvals. As an extension of the MCP spec, cross-app access shifts that control back to IT. Instead of users granting access, the enterprise defines policies for which apps and agents can talk to each other. No more redundant consent prompts, no hidden connections, just simple, centrally managed, policy-driven control at the identity layer. The IDP centrally governs agent-to-system interactions using centralized policies and lifecycle management. IT can see and manage every connection, from agents to enterprise apps. Now, when an AI agent or app requests access to another system, it follows a standard three-step handshake using the Identity Assertion Authorization Grant, or IDJAG. The requesting app takes the user's ID token back to the IDP. The IDP issues a temporary IDJAG credential based on enterprise policy, and then the app exchanges that IDJAG at the Resource Apps Authorization Server for a final access token. Whether the connection is internal or external, this flow remains the same, ensuring every agent-to-app interaction is identity verified and policy governed. But what does this look like in practice? Let's look at the 4 primary ways this protocol can secure the ecosystem. Starting with an external app connecting to an external resource. Imagine an employee using a video conferencing app needs to create a task in a CRM. Through cross-app access, the video app seamlessly clears the IDJAG handshake to get an access token for the CRM. Enterprise IT gains full visibility into how these 2 third-party platforms are interacting. Next, let's look at an internal resource to an external app, a capability available to Okta customers. Here, a custom internal HR chatbot needs to fetch documents from an external content management system. Even though the agent is homegrown, it uses the same cross-app access flow to prove its identity to the external provider, ensuring internal bots follow the same security rigor as human users. Now we can see this used for internal agents connecting to internal resources. In this scenario, everything stays within the enterprise perimeter. That same HR agent might need to pull data from a private employee directory. Cross-app access allows enterprises to build powerful, custom automation that connects enterprise agents to internal APIs securely, replacing hard-coded secrets with dynamic identity-based trust. Finally, let's see an external app connect to an internal resource, another scenario available to Okta customers. This is a game changer for legacy modernization. It allows a third-party tool like a messaging app to securely push data into a protected internal CRM. By bridging the gap between the SaaS tools your employees love and your private infrastructure, cross-app access secures your internal APIs from the outside world. "95% of orgs say cross-app access would improve their confidence in deploying AI. If you're building SaaS, cross-app access helps you win. It shows enterprise customers you can meet their security and governance requirements from day one, accelerating deals and making your integrations easier to trust and adopt. This is how you stand out in a world moving to AI-driven agentic workflows. If you're an Auth0 customer, cross-app access is available out of the box with no custom code required. You can act as a requesting app or a resource app and seamlessly integrate with any customer's identity provider that supports the standard. Reach out to your Auth0 rep to learn about our early access program. Cross-app access empowers your customers to unlock AI agents securely, bringing trust, control, and confidence to every connection. Together, we can build an open, secure ecosystem where innovation thrives safely and at scale. Contact us or visit us online to get started today.